Morning, magandang umaga. Another lutong bahay na sabaw, walang mantika. So, samahan nyo ako ulit. Tara tayo na magluto. Ingredients: broccoli, sayote, bawang, sibuyas, luya, half a kilo of chicken, may asin at paminta. Ito yung aking tsaa in the morning, tanglad, na may tubig na mainit. Tapos, yung pinagabaran dahil hindi ko nauubos, yan na yung sabaw ko ngayon. So, sinama ko na din yung tanglad, lahat ng hiniwa kong bawang, sibuyas, luya, and syempre, yung manok. So, hinahayaan ko na yung maluto for 20 to 30 minutes. So, hindi na ako nagigisa talaga ng pagluluto ngayon. Tara! While it simmers, so, hihiwa naman ako ng gulay.
That's why it's not enough to raise them in good manners or solid grades. They need to know who they are in Christ. They need to hear it from their mouth over and over again. God gave them not just the name on their birth certificate, but the name tied to their calling, their destiny, their purpose. When God created humanity, He didn't just form.
So, after kumulo yung chicken, ilagay ko na ngayon yung sayote. So, palalambutin ko yan ulit for a few minutes. Nagdagdag ako ng konting tubig. So, after a while, nung malambot na siya, nilagay ko na din yung broccoli. So, let it simmer again for a few minutes. And then, syempre, nagdagdag tayo ng patis. Pampalasa. Pag okay na, now, lagay na natin ang malunggay. So, this is our meal for today. Okay, share ko din ngayon, lahat po ng kanin namin ngayon sa rice cooker. Bago ko lutuin, naglalagay na kami dyan ng bawang. Kasi, meron ako nabasa na pag naglalagay ka ng bawang while nagsasaing ka, nare-reduce yung starch. So, yung sugar doon sa rice na babawasan siya. So, this is our meal for today. It's tinola with broccoli.